You're going to have a baby. It's an exciting time, but it can also feel a bit overwhelming. You may have a lot of questions, including what you can do to give your baby a healthy start. To keep you and your baby healthy during pregnancy, it is important to have regular visits with your healthcare provider. These prenatal care visits help make sure that you and your baby are healthy. And if there are any health problems, your provider can find them early. Getting treatment right away can cure many problems and prevent others. Eat healthy and drink plenty of water. Good nutrition during pregnancy includes eating a variety of fruits, vegetables, whole grains, lean meats or other protein sources, and low-fat dairy products. Take prenatal vitamins. During pregnancy, you need higher amounts of certain vitamins and minerals, such as folic acid and iron. Be careful with medicines. Always check with your provider before you start or stop any medicine. This includes over-the-counter medicines and dietary or herbal supplements. Stay active. Physical activity can help you stay strong, feel and sleep better, and prepare your body for birth. Check with your provider about which types of activities are right for you. Avoid substances that could hurt your baby, including alcohol, drugs, and tobacco. Your body will keep changing as your baby grows. It can be hard to know whether a new symptom is normal or could be a sign of a problem. Check with your provider if something is bothering or worrying you.